There are many kinds of animals. The it in the deer family. It have long antennae. It can swim well and run very fast. A giraffe very tall from with long legs. A giraffe has spots over their body. The sun on the head. Elephant the longest land animal. Elephants have long trunks. They live in grassland and forest. Snow leopards live on cold mountains. They have appetite for to keep them warm. The gray kangaroo have a part its strong back leg. To have kangaroo eat grass and in other plants. The zebra is in the whole family. Zebra have white and black stripes. And live in grassland and the hair long on their extend straight up. The fox is in the dog family. Fox live in hole in the ground. A fox is small and mum. In fact, fruit and egg. The camel has had a long winter. A camel lives in a land without food or water. Maybe this sweet honey it will taste grasshopper. On sea grass, I have been home on to gradim on green leaf and grass. Said the grumpy grasshopper. Oh, maybe the grey nut will take grass, said the grasshopper. Gone as he runs it hopping on. At home, grasshopper returned. I will fray, and he said, I don't eat berry, nut, and honey. Don't food and great. It's for grasshopper like me. I grown, she said. His friend said, don't you know green leaf? If and grass Adam, although a great taste is food for grasshopper. The first grasshopper had one try of grazing on green leaf. If and grass, I'm going to eat new food today, he said them, and he hopped into the forest. And day after a time, the green grasshopper grabbing almost out of the time grasshopper grabbing on green leaf. Grasshopper grew in when he was swallowed the new food to eat maybe the green baby. He will take great grasshopper run as he run as he happens to find easily to eat. Mom, Dad, and I like to walk in the world. We like to find new trails. We like to find a new place and to picnic. Oh, I walk down a trail after and I see a big blue butterfly. Look, I call out. Mom and Dad don't hear me. Is it butterfly? I eat beautiful. I follow it. I can't eat. Which way it is going on? I flip it. The sky looks dark. Have I been asleep? I now trip it and feel I see a man wearing a big blue jacket. The mom and dad come. Rosa and Rachel come. Oh, the man say, how did you find me? I asked the let go smell the jacket, go follow the smell. He said, the ambulance and team fire to them. I put me on a stretcher. They carry me to the ambulance and go come with us. The ambulance team five. I asked to them. Put me on a stretcher. They carry me to the ambulance and couldn't come with us. Go make repairs and have fun and to play with it. Learn and to come when you call them and go easy take care of. Go like to be from outdoors. They enjoy sunny day. You spend and most of them they playing and eating. Go great to look at many. It has long floppy ears. Young have only 11 go have up to her toe on its foot. What's so great about girls give us food, they help us and they with us and play with us. Go make repairs and the from is food for us. Many people drink go milk, oh my go cheese. Some people eat go help us in any way. Happy to eat well in people jar. We can make a clump out of soft go ham. There are many kinds of beton. There are horn can eyes of beton than any other living thing. Beton can live almost anywhere. Beton can live in forest. Beton can live in desert. Beton can live in jungle. Beton I can even live in around water. Better have a home or skeleton on the outside of their body. The skeleton protects the better, but better have to pair of wings. The front and wing are harmed and take to protect pair under them. I better are amazing insects and like other insects to have three main body parts. I am a brown pelican and I can help fit it in the skin in under my bag. I am a zombie. I am so you will stuck my bag is safe like a spoon. I am a spoonbill. I long my egg look like a spoon. I am a token and my house in colorful but it very large. I am a riddle but I have feather on my back. A glass look like him. I am a Scorpio. I eat crust. I'm like an egg. I get the sea out of econ. I am a marine hornbill. I have a horn on top of my bag. I eat to knock up the fruit. I am a swarmbill humming bird yêu my long bag. I drink from flower. Sea urchin live in little Athens. I did racing until has many long speed in the sun as I move when I talk them racing until in swim and other ocean plants. Sea come the sea come is the color of the break its body is covered with little bump. Goodbye, teacher.